Rael Nyakerario, who was accused of gouging baby Sagini's eyes alongside others, has today been set free by the court due to lack of enough evidence to tie her to the heinous act. Her lawyer, Mr. Okerosi Ondieki, claimed that the investigation was not carried out properly and that the witness in the case is mentally unstable. The old lady, who was facing up to 5 years behind bars, thanked her lawyer for his efforts to secure her release.
Rael Nyakerario tabekana tengana rusiti umwana maiso ikoti yatebirenga ere ta participate tiko sta correctly again. We've been taking a judgment from Justice Kiari Waweru, who was making a judgment in regard to that offense which committed against the baby Sagini by, among others, Nyakerario. The court has found that Nyakerario is not guilty, as was charged by the lower court. And it says that the evidence of one of the witnesses was not corroborated, although that witness also faced challenges, mental challenges, to make her a credible witness to give evidence against the accused person. So the court today has made a finding that Nyakerario, that old lady, did not participate in the watching out of the eyes of the minor, and the court has therefore set him free, set her free. What the court, in short, was saying that the prosecution or the police did not carry out their investigations well, so that they could prove a charge of accessory after the fact. So even the participating in the commission of the offense was not also proved. I think it is a case where the accused was being lynched. There was a mob because the public was against the accused person. The public did not like the offense which was committed, and therefore the public opinion, in the court of public opinion, the accused looked guilty, and I think the court also was drawn into that matter. Therefore, I want to say that the accused is now free. She has been acquitted, and she is no longer guilty of the charges as placed.
Mimi anakoka sana. Mungu anasaidia mimi. Mimi anakoka. Mungu anasaidia mimi. Mimi ni kivyose. Mimi naenda nyumba yangu. Mimi hakuna kitu. Si mimi peke yake nyumba yangu. Hakuna mtoto. Si mtoto hii ni mjukuu ni yangu. Mungu anatoa nyumba ya kera. Asante. Anakoka saiti. Hakuna maneno mengine. Nyasaye, Nyasaye, mbuya Nyasaye, mbuya Nyasaye, mbuya mono, mbuya Nyasaye, mbuya mono.